Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nikipedia. All of you must have heard about this Siddha medicine called kabasura kudineer, which is to be consumed in the morning and night, that is before breakfast and dinner. Today's video is about a herbal tea which, if consumed along with this kabasura kudineer, can definitely help boost your immunity against COVID. Now, to prepare this concoction, we need the following ingredients: dry ginger or sukku 50 grams, adimaduram powder 50 grams, chittarattai 15 grams, kadukkai thool 15 grams, manjal or turmeric 5 grams, tipili or long pepper 2.5 grams, omam or ajwain or carom seeds 2.5 grams, krambu or clove 2.5 grams, and milagu or pepper 2.5 grams. These ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties that help in treating respiratory problems, bronchitis, lung congestion, and asthma. Most of them help in treating dry cough, runny nose, and cold. Some of these ingredients help in digestion, reducing cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Some of them help in treatment of ulcers and cancer. These are a total of 9 ingredients. So now let's see how this concoction is prepared. First, I'm going to peel the skin off the dry ginger like this. This is how it looks after the skin is peeled off. Now I'm going to break this into small pieces before I put it in the blender. Add the rest of the ingredients to the blender and blend to a fine powder like this. You can store this powder in an airtight container. Now every day, to prepare this concoction, you have to take 200 ml of water, which is about 3/4 cup, in a pan and place it on the stove. Once the water starts boiling, add in 1 heaped teaspoon of the powder that we just blended to the water and let it boil. Now add about 10 pudina leaves to this. Now allow it to boil, and this quantity should reduce to 1/4 of the original quantity, which means 200 ml should reduce to 50 ml. So it should boil till then. Now it's reduced to 50 ml, it's about 1/4 cup. So I'm going to take it off the stove and strain it in a bowl. Now this is what you're supposed to drink every day after breakfast and after dinner, coupled with kabasura kudineer before breakfast and before dinner. This can definitely help you. You can also add honey, about 1 teaspoon, or some palm sugar to enhance the sweetness. Adults can have 100 ml and kids can have 50 ml. All the products shown in this video are easily available online. Please share this video with your near and dear, and do subscribe for more.